Samsung finally give these new things in the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and just in case if you compare with the last generation, these things are much better. If you guys wanted to know which one, as Samsung is changing a lot of things on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and one among them is the durability standards are much better than last generation. By adding the new Gorilla Glass Victus 2, it is much better than the S22 Ultra. Want to know how much? But before moving on, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Well, according to Anthony, Galaxy S23 Ultra new Gorilla Glass Victus 2 is 54% more durable than the current generation glass used on S22 Ultra. And if you talk about the drop test, then it is already tested. The special thing about this new glass is it can hold a drop on hardest surface. And in a lab test, this glass holds the 1 meter drop on the hardest surface, which is amazing. But by adding this protection, Galaxy S23 Ultra will be slightly heavier than the S22 Ultra. Also, Samsung is going to use this glass for the protection of the rear sensors, mainly the 200 megapixel camera, which will improve the quality and low light imaging. Not just adding a new glass, Samsung is also going to add a new display technology, LTPO 3.0, which will go up 20 to 100 nits peak brightness, highest so far. Let me know in the comments, how often do you guys drop your phone? Talking about the 200 megapixel camera, there is another great news regarding the 200 megapixel camera is here, and exynos stated the night shots on Galaxy S23 Ultra latest firmware shows some fantastic improvements, and you can expect big improvements from the last generation. Although we get some great night photography improvements, the telephoto shooter is something we need to talk about, as it is coming with the same 3x and 10x zoom option, which will behind its competitors, as Samsung is only focusing on the new 200 megapixel camera and gives some amazing features in it. With the new 200 megapixel camera, you guys will get 8K video recording at 30 fps and 4K video at 120 fps. You guys will get 3 shooting modes, 12 megapixel, 50 megapixel and 200 megapixel, where 50 megapixel was not available on the S22 Ultra. As per recent rumors, Galaxy S23 Ultra might feature a new ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, and if the leaks were true, we might get a Qualcomm 3D Sonic Max fingerprint scanner in the S23 Ultra, which can use 2 fingers at the same time for added protection, and it will be much bigger than what we have seen on the S22 Ultra. Samsung is going to do an unpack event in person in San Francisco in the earlier Feb, and phones will hit the market around 17th of Feb. If you guys want to see the real design of Galaxy S23 Ultra, then you guys should watch this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.